Welcome to Elegant Living at the Estates of Credit Ridge, one of Brampton's newest and most prestigious communities. This is where you'll find our latest listing. An exceptional 4+1 bedroom, 4-bath executive home built by Tiffany Park Homes. With over 3,100 square feet of sophisticated interior finishes, this home will not only wow you with its interior details, you will love its premium parkside location and extensively landscaped backyard ready for your enjoyment this summer. I'm Tanya Kropolja, broker at Keller Williams and Keller Williams Luxury. Let's take a tour of 35 Lampman Crescent. This rarely available plum model features over 3,100 square feet of luxuriously finished and extensively upgraded living in a well-designed layout. A charming covered front porch leads you through double doors into an impressive 2-story foyer filled with natural light. You'll find an open concept yet formal living and dining room complemented by a coffered ceiling, pot lights, and gleaming hardwood floors. French doors open onto a large home office or library framed with a beautiful waffle ceiling where you will enjoy working from home or as a study space for the entire family. A timeless white kitchen offers ample space to prepare meals or entertain around its large center island overlooking a spacious breakfast area. It is complemented by a stone backsplash, granite counters, pot lights, premium stainless steel appliances including a gas range, and stylish accent lighting. You'll love the open plan from the kitchen and breakfast area to a beautiful family room, which is framed by built-in cabinetry, large windows, pot lights, and a gas fireplace. Enjoy the outdoors in the beautifully hardscaped, fully fenced 40 by 103 foot backyard, which features a large flagstone patio, perennial gardens, and barbecue gas line. A gorgeous solid wood staircase with contemporary square banisters leads you to the second floor, where you'll find hardwood floors throughout its 4 very generously sized bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms with upgraded tile, granite countertops, and stylish light fixtures. Each bedroom features distinct details including walk-in closets, ensuite bathroom privilege, and the third bedroom features a walkout to a covered balcony with peaceful park views from the front of the home. The spectacular 19-foot wide primary bedroom retreat is complete with a separate 12 by 9 foot sitting room, a large walk-in closet with custom built-ins, and spectacular spa-like ensuite bathroom with frameless glass shower, soaker tub, and dual vanities. "35 Lampman Crescent is located in the Estates of Credit Ridge, one of Brampton's most upscale neighborhoods, surrounded by green space and conservation land. This home offers a coveted premium parkside exposure with Laurendale Park just outside your door and is perfectly situated nearby schools, big box stores, several grocery options, and numerous restaurants. One of the cherished local amenities is the Apple Factory Country Grocer, one of Brampton's go-to places with fresh produce, bakery, and assortment of British products within its farmers market atmosphere. For more information or to book a personal tour, call or text us 647-293-3785. Follow us on Instagram and share this video with someone you know who would love to make this their new home.